We are reaching out to a Flagler County commissioner about two run-ins with law enforcement officers. One where he is pulled over for speeding and tells them he is over the state. Another where he says he runs the county. News 6's Catherine Silver reports.
Dashcam video from Florida Highway Patrol shows troopers pulling over this gray Mercedes on I-4 in Seminole County. Two troopers turning on lights and sirens to stop the driver, identified as Joe Mullins.
He said he was a county commissioner. No, he's getting a ticket.
Both can be heard talking about Mullins as a Flagler County commissioner.
What county? Or Flagler, I think it was. Whatever, doesn't matter.
A citation from FHP shows Mullins was ticketed for going 89 in the express lanes near 436, where the speed limit is 60.
His car was like really hot from going really fast.
The video of the stop captures some of the verbal exchange between troopers and Mullins.
If you get out of this car, you're going to jail. And you're aware this is all being audio video recorded.
After that warning, Mullins says this.
I am your elected official.
No, you're not.
I am certainly. I'm over the state.
We tried to reach the commissioner at his home in Bunnell, where campaign signs for his re-election are posted outside. No one answered the door or returned our phone calls. News 6 did obtain this letter filed in Seminole County Court dated June 6th. Mullins tells the judge he was not paying attention to his speed while on a conference call and writes, quote, "I commit in the future to pay more attention." 13 days later, troopers stopped him again, this time on I-95 in Flagler County.
To run the county.
The report says he was going 92 in a red Ferrari.
That was Catherine Silver reporting. News 6 also asked county staff to reach Mullins for comment. We have not heard back. Court records show he paid nearly $300 for each of the two citations. He also completed a traffic safety course.